Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need a vent for an island sink to prevent siphoning and preserve the trap seal. Without a vent, the water in the trap can be drawn dry and let sewer gas enter your home. Most codes require a vent connection using at least one 5-inch pipe for a sink. You must avoid S-straps because they siphon easily and violate plumbing code. When roof venting is impractical, you may use an air admittance valve as an approved alternative in many jurisdictions. 3 common methods solve island sink venting: a loop vent, a remote roof vent, or an air admittance valve. A loop vent creates a high loop that ties into an existing vent where possible. Use 1 5-inch vent pipe for a single sink and keep the trap arm under 4 feet for that diameter. If you tie into other fixtures, use 2-inch venting per code for combined loads. Install AAVs vertically and ensure they remain accessible above the sink flood rim. Start by planning your route and locating the nearest vent stack or suitable tie-in point. Cut the countertop and cabinet floor carefully and dry fit 1 5-inch or 2-inch PVC or ABS vent pipe. Maintain a slope of 1/4 inch per foot on horizontal drain runs toward the main drain. For roof vents, terminate at least 6 inches above the roof and keep them clear of obstructions. If using an AAV, place it above the flood rim and access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.